guys. So we're making this video for you guys. So everything's great. We're gonna start production back up, and Monday we'll have a video dropping this Monday, July 21st. Also, I want to add some new that we're doing. Every week I would be dropping a Q&A video after I post the main video on Monday. So for instance, every time we do a video, there's a lot of beginners that just bought the grill and they have so many questions. So to give an example is like, let's say I do a video of a steak on Monday. Now, you'll have all Monday and all Tuesday to add your comments on that video of questions that you had from that video. Sometimes we forget to give some information out. And so this kind of helps those people that have questions while they're watching the video. And it can be anything about the video. Saying, what if I use this instead of that rub? Or what if I don't have this? Will this work? Questions like that. Like I said, you'll watch my video on Monday. You have all Monday, all Tuesday to write a comment down. And then Wednesday, I record the answers of all the comments that you guys put there. That way, if you plan to do on the weekend, whatever answer you had about that video that I might have forgot, or you just want to know something extra, that video that drops on Thursday is going to be a Q&A answering all the questions from the comments from that video. Also, it doesn't even have to be about that cook. You can just put any question that you have that you would like me to answer. And so I will do so on that video that drops on Thursdays. In the comment sections, let me know what you guys think about that. Like I said, main video on Monday. Thursday, another video drops answering any questions you guys had about that video, or any questions you guys might think of. Put it down in the comments. This Monday, July 21st, we're going to start with our first video, and we're going to go strong. And then eventually I want to put more videos. This is my plan for now, and as we go, we're going to tweak it a little bit, make it better. That's the plan that we have for the channel. So let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, like. I will see you guys next time.